Let's see what you got, girl. Woo! Beautiful. Lovely dismount. All right, Taylor. Taylor, singular. Here, we'll do it easier. How about Taylor to splash Ellis? We'll go first. And then Taylor. All right, girl, get it. Woo! She defied those floaties. She said, not these floaties, not today. All right, Taylor, you are up next.
Daniel, you do it.
Let's go, girl. Woo! Love the jump. The 180. That was fabulous.
Daniel, go. One,
All
two,
right,
three, go.
super splasher. Let's see what you got, girl. Yeah! Good old, I bet that feels so refreshing. I'm so jealous of all of you. Sparky splasher. You got this, dude. Oh, yes. All right, now we have the three siblings. We have Alina.
You want to do it?
Let's go, Alina.
Want to do it?
You got it. Woo! Fabulous with their big support system. All right, Amaya. Nice. Fabulous. And last but not least, Adam, the final cannonballer of the competition.
Grab your knees.
Yeah! All right, you all